Requests with default sampling strategy executed at once follow the pattern. The model always receives an input of 163 tokens. When the response ends, model receives a variable amount of input tokens. The total input tokens is variable. I suggest is due to this fact, the official documentation says with default, the model chooses the best strategy. Hence, it changes with each run. We change to stream response with default sampling, and we see the next pattern. The model receives 163 tokens at once, and then, while it's generating the response, it can be seen online in the output field. Model receives more input tokens. At the end, the total amount of input tokens is variable. We change the strategy to greedy, and now the total final number of input tokens will be the same with both response types, at once and stream. Model receives a first instant flow of 163 tokens, and at the end of the request, the total amount of received tokens is 285. We abandon default strategy to set top P. The first flow of instant 163 input tokens stands. When response is finished, the model receives a variable amount of tokens. But fixing the threshold temperature and maximum token parameters, this variable quantity is very low comparing with default strategy. I suggest model does some work consuming tokens in the backstage. Setting all the parameters is limiting these jobs inside the black box. Only setting a seed is the way to fix constant the number of input tokens.